Happy National Ceiling Fan Day, everybody. It's September 18th, 2022, and just like this, every National Ceiling Fan, I'm gonna do a video of all the ceiling fans that we have running on low for National Ceiling Fan Day. Well, today is except for my twins' room because I don't want to disturb them, so here's our living room fan. Don't need this light on right now because it's daytime. Here's my mom's fan. Good. Here's my fan. And here is the kitchen fan. Well, that's all for now. Oh, I may do all of them in one maybe next National Ceiling Fan Day. Hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more.